community organizations, and each and every individual citizen who will benefit from this particular synergy. The unity of effort is the only way we can achieve an inclusive, resilient, and sustainable development for the country. So I commend and thank Empower Venture Partners, Holdings, and all the stakeholders involved in making this project a reality. Your dedication to environmental responsibility and energy and water security will undoubtedly have a lasting positive impact on the region and on the nation as you replicate this, as we have been discussing with Sir Georgie there earlier. Lastly, I'd like to commend the power of visionary leadership in the MVP group, particularly of Mr. Pangilinan and his team, and of course, the visionary leadership of the province and Mayor Jerry Treñas. Full disclosure, I've known him for maybe over 40 years now. We were at college together. He was older than me, but we were in college together. His commitment to sustainability and climate and disaster resilience for the city is one that I truly admire. He makes sure that no one is left behind. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayo.